The man accused of killing Mobile police officer Sean Tudor is scheduled to be in federal court on Monday. A federal jury acquitted Marco Perez on charges related to that fatal shooting, but it did convict him on a pair of gun charges. And prosecutors want the judge to throw the book at Perez. Investigative reporter Brendan Kirby is here live. And Brendan, even though Perez faces a capital murder charge, prosecutors want the longest possible sentence.
Yeah, that's right, Lenice, they do. That will be 25 years in federal prison. Here's how prosecutors get to that number. 5 years receiving a firearm under indictment and 10 years for possession of a stolen firearm. Prosecutors also will ask for a 10-year enhancement because he was free on bond during the November 2018 shooting of Officer Tudor at the Peach Place Apartments. Prosecutors want the judge to run all of those sentences back to back for a total of 25 years. They also want the judge to order that he serve it separately from whatever time he gets in state court if convicted. He still faces a capital murder charge in Tudor's death. This is what prosecutors wrote. Quote, Perez took the life of a police officer. Perez took the life of a public servant. Perez took the life of a beloved son, husband, family member, and friend. But in a separate defense filing, attorney John Beck argues that prosecutors want to punish his client for crimes that the jury rejected. That Perez killed Officer Tudor, but that he knew that the officer was a witness in a federal case. He writes, quote, this defendant was acquitted of this very same offense in counts 3 and 4, and the jury has already made a finding of fact in this regard. In addition, the U.S. Attorney's Office says the judge should consider the killing as well as the defendant's conduct after his arrest. They say the Escambia County Jail has had to remove him from the general population on a number of occasions, and they list several incidents in jail. Those include an alleged assault of a fellow inmate on August 9th that involved a shank, and an incident on August 27th in which jailers say they needed to restrain him after responding to flooding in his cell. On November 16th, jailers say that they had to use chemical spray to get him to stop kicking his cell door, and they say they found suspected synthetic marijuana. And on December 9th, they say he punched an inmate in the face. Perez faces a trial next month in state court on charges related to an alleged assault at Mobile County Metro Jail. He'll also have a status hearing on that capital murder case, which is tentatively set for August. Reporting live, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.